Okay, you go take fag out. Take fag out. Okay. Okay, read that.
You just met with His Excellency right now. What was the intention of coming to meet His Excellency?
Okay, my name is Prince Honorable Barsa Collins Onumo. I'm a son of Rumolimeni in Abo Kingdom, Obiakpo local government. I am the former chairman of the Coordinators Forum of Grassroots Development Initiative, River State. I'm also the coordinator of Grassroots Development Initiative, Obiakpo local government formal. Yes, 2 days ago and also yesterday, coordinators of Grassroots Development Initiative from Ogubolo, Kokana, Boni local government, Akoko Toro, Asari Toro, Ahuda East, Obobu Mandoni just resigned to join 3 of their members who resigned earlier today of the persons from Faga, Port Harcourt City local government, Kenekawan Amade, Daddy Green, Okpara of Ahuda West, and Chief Eda Ogolo of Opopo Nkoro local government. And Agumeze Solomon of Oyibo local government. We came today as friends, as brothers, and formal coordinators of GDI, Grassroots Development Initiative, River State. For us to know, and for the public to know, Grassroots Development Initiative is the movement, the association, the group funded by the former immediate governor of River State, Chief Barrister Wike, the present minister of Federal Capital Territory. He funded that group. That group brought him to power, first tenor. That group supported him for second tenor. That group is his strength. Whoever he is today is Grassroots Development Initiative. But today, we have all decided that we are no more member of that group. The reason, one, we want to be with Rivers people. Rivers' interest is paramount. When we started GDI 2012, 2013, we were told, we were advised, we were campaigned to stand by Rivers' interest. And what was the Rivers' interest then? The Rivers' interest was making sure we protect our brother-in-law, the executive, the president of Federal Republic of Nigeria at that time, who happens to marry our own lovely daughter, Patience Jonathan. That was the Rivers' interest then. We all supported that interest. That interest yielded good things to Rivers people. And we're all happy that through that struggle, our brother, our chief, became the governor of Rivers State. Today, second tenor of his administration, the Rivers' interest then was, people in Abuja said he cannot be, and Rivers' interest said he must come. People died.
Seriously.
People lost their blood. Accidents, and what of you? Those who survived with one hand, one leg, and those that was killed. May their soul rest in perfect peace. Yeah. Amen. That was Rivers' interest then. He won that election. We held down the entire state. We held down the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That women came out and were naked. Though today, women getting naked to protest is abomination. But there wasn't an abomination. Today, what is the Rivers' interest? The Rivers' interest today is to make sure we protect our votes that brought in Sir Joseph, similarly Fubara, the executive governor of Rivers State, GSS arrest. Supreme Court has acknowledged indeed you won that election. And I want to tell the press here today that that was the most peaceful election in Rivers State. Election where there was no blood. Election where there was no accidents, no gunshots. Election where we have 23 local governments in Rivers State, and that candidate of PDP, then who is the executive governor today, as affirmed by Supreme Court, won all the local governments. That never happened in Rivers State history.
100 over 100.
He won. Today, we have come to join other millions of Rivers women, Rivers youths, Rivers elders who said we must protect our vote. We have no concern with who is the governor here. Our interest that we voted the most peaceful election in Rivers State. Election where they didn't took life. Election where there was no bloodshed. 100% from Tai to Ogubolo, from the shores of Ogubolo to the river bank of Akukotoro, from there to the hinterland of Ubima and Ikwere local government, down to the exit of Rivers State, Oyibo. 100%. Today, one man said that that election should not head. We are not the first people who never started it, but we have just come to join Rivers so that we can sleep well. And I want to make one thing known. A fight against any youth in this state is a fight for the entire state. All the youths of Rivers State will fight you.
Yes, sir.
A fight against Eddie Sinehe because he stood for the truth, because he stood for Rivers youths, he stood for Rivers people, he stood for Rivers interests. All of us will die with Edison Ehe.
First and foremost, my name is Christian Ukame Abu, MNIM. Like you have heard, for the records, when you hear former GDI coordinators, these are coordinators that have just resigned today to get simplified. Now, GDI has been the vehicle for the successes we have recorded in previous elections in Rivers State. And today we are getting simplified. Getting simplified means that the strategies, the movement, the vehicle that has always conveyed successes to past administrations have brought us some same support to the current governor of Rivers State, His Excellency, Sir Siminalayi Fubara, FNIM, GSSRS. And our support today for him is total, is unwavering. We are committed, we are dedicated. We had sleepless nights to see to this victory. And this victory we have come to stand to protect. Thank you. Let me get the LGH that came. Let me give it snap back to that of that. Yes.
Thank you.
This is even the